Hello, this is Tyler coming to you from Socrates Trading. I'm going to briefly summarize some of the moves that these energy companies made in the past week. As we can see here, Battalion Oil is kind of a smaller cap stock that I had alluded to last Sunday. Now, right now, Battalion is sitting around $22. This is kind of on the daily time frame. If we look here from March 2nd, until today or yesterday, March 6th, Friday. I mean, we made a pretty big jump up from around the $5 mark all the way to around $30. If we go back and look at the previous weeks from February and January, oil was sitting around. Let's go to the future market here. Crude oil futures in the past 5 days has been up around 28%. Let's look at the 6 month time frame. Once again, it's up around 50% this year. It's a pretty decent sized move here. Over the past year, 36%, and past 5 years is 38. If we go back and look at Battalion Oil Corp, back in January, this stock was around in the $1 range. If anyone here doesn't recall, on January 26th, this had a massive gap up pre-market. It went from about a dollar up to around $7 a share. If we look right here, and then it kind of consolidated for the next few weeks. Yeah, headed into this past week, as I had mentioned to everyone, it just made this monster move. It went from the $5 range all the way up to over $30 pre-market on Thursday. This stock has been just incredible to look at. And on the contrary, if we look at INDO, another smaller cap energy stock, it was more or less, it was about $2. This hit kind of a high of $8, over $8, it looks like on Monday. Another stock been trending higher than the overall futures, but not to the same point of AREB. What are these stocks going to do next week? It's difficult to say. There's a lot of opinions here. How does war in Iran goes, how long it persists for, but that's not the only factor. There's other trade agreements, how the energy sector as a whole performs. Give me your feedback here on this video, folks, and thank you.